By Wrangler Performance Series, a collection of jeans and pants featuring a Comfort Flex waistband and denim that flexes for comfort. Wrangler Performance Series. Try on a pair today. Kawhi Leonard apparently still has 3 teams on his list: Clippers, Lakers, and Raptors, and he's reportedly right now in Toronto meeting with the team that he helped guide a title to in June. Meanwhile, the Grizzlies reportedly trade Chandler Parsons to the Hawks for Solomon Hill and Miles Plumlee. Memphis also reportedly sending out Kyle Korver and Javon Carter to the Suns in exchange for Josh Jackson, Anthony Mellon, and a couple second-round picks. Boban Marjanovic reportedly goes to the Mavericks, 2 years, $7 million. Pelicans reportedly bring back Darius Miller, 2 years, $14.25 million. TJ McConnelly reportedly on his way to the Pacers, 2 years, $7 million. The Pistons reportedly agreed to a 2-year deal with Markieff Morris. NFL's Ezekiel Elliott able to avoid any punishment. League announced he will not be suspended for his role in that incident in Las Vegas. Lots of baseball right now. They're in the bottom of the 5th. The Marlins and Nationals are still scoreless. Yankees with a 2-1 lead on the Mets. They're in the bottom of the 1st inning. Jeff McNeil with a leadoff homer for the Mets. Yankees getting runs on an RBI double from Aaron Judge and an RBI single from Gleyber Torres. Cubs a 1-0 advantage on the Pirates. Bottom 2 in Pittsburgh. Red Sox and Blue Jays scoreless in the 2nd. Same for the Orioles and Rays. And for the Brewers and the Reds. Bottom of the 1st inning, the Phillies and Braves. They are scoreless as well. Finals, White Sox and Tigers in the 1st and 2 as Chicago was able to come back and get a 7-5 victory. Meanwhile, Phillies outfielder Odubel Herrera, domestic violence charges against him were dropped in New Jersey. He was accused of domestic assault against his girlfriend in May. Herrera's girlfriend did not want to proceed with the case, leading to the decision of dismissal. Women's World Cup, Netherlands outlast Sweden 1-0 in extra time, and I'll face Team USA on Sunday. I'm Marco Belletti.
This is Dad. And I'm the Moose. Kawhi Watch 2019 continues, Dad. That's right, Moose. Join us tomorrow morning, 6 Eastern, 3 Pacific. Spin your workday with General. 11 till 2 each weekday on The Fan. Prescription products required online physician consultation and are only available if the physician determines a prescription is appropriate. See website for full details.
Hey guys, good news. The outrageously expensive little blue pill is now generic, which means you can get the prescription medication to treat ED at affordable prices. And him makes it extra affordable. Right now, get your first month supply for free. All you pay is just $5 for your medical consultation when you go to forhims.com/body. After that, it's just $30 for a month's supply. Sure beats paying big bucks for just one blue pill. Doesn't it? Plus, you won't need an awkward in-person doctor's appointment to get the prescription. Hims has doctors online who can prescribe the medication, and a pharmacy sends it right to your door. It's affordable, private, and incredibly easy. Nobody likes dealing with ED. Now, thanks to him, nobody has to. And that's really good news. To get your first order for just $5, you need to go to this exclusive address, forhims.com/body. That's forhims.com/body for your first month for just $5. forhims.com/body.
If your water heater is over 8 years old, you may be sitting on a ticking time bomb. It could start leaking without warning, causing far more water damage than the loss of the heater itself. Consider replacing it with a Navien tankless water heater. No storage tank to leak, endless hot water for spa-like comfort, longer life, and backed by Navien's strong warranty before time runs out. Visit tanklessmadesimple.com for the name of your Navien contractor.
An interesting creature inhabits the flat, arid plains of many an automobile dashboard. The bobblehead is most agreeable and will nod along to anything, despite having no brain function. But when the bobblehead hears how Geico not only saves people money, but also gives them access to licensed agents 24/7 online and over the phone, he'll nod even more vigorously because he knows you should switch. Because yes, switching to Geico